What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you make your wheels on your car look from this to this. The products that you're going to need to do this is a bucket of water, Dawn dish soap, a microfiber towel, a non-super abrasive ScotchBrite pad, and a cleaner called Black Magic Bleach White. This is a tire cleaner, and I'll put the link in the description. Oh, and if I haven't mentioned it, you're gonna need gloves as well, rubber gloves. Everything will be in the description. So when you have a dirty, disgusting wheel that's just covered in brake dust that's been accumulating on your car for a while and you're having a hard time getting off and you really just want to get in there, get in all the crevices and clean out your entire wheel, this is what you got to do. Just to get some of the surface brake dust off, you're going to want to get a bucket of water, put a little bit of Dawn dish soap in it, fill it up. Then you want to get your lightly abrasive ScotchBrite pad. The reason why I use a lightly abrasive one is because if you use one that's more aggressive, like a really aggressive one that almost is like sandpaper, it'll end up scuffing your wheels and making them look all scratched. Since this is so light, this is more of a cleaning pad, not really a sandpaper. It'll do perfectly on your aluminum wheel, steel wheel, whatever kind of wheel you have. Dip it in the bucket, get it wet, start going nuts. The reason why you're using a ScotchBrite pad instead of a regular cloth towel or a microfiber to begin with is because the ScotchBrite is agitating all of the brake dust, and your microfiber or your paper towel or whatever you're using to wipe it other than a ScotchBrite isn't going to agitate all that brake dust. Now after you fully get the wheel clean with the Dawn dish soap, you're going to want to use your Black Magic Bleach White cleaner. When using this, always wear gloves because this is actually a bleach in a way, and this will kind of burn your hands and make your hands all rough and irritated, so always handle this with gloves. This is safe to spray on your rim even though it's a tire cleaner, so go ahead and spray it all over your tire and all over your rim. And you can be very generous with it. You don't have to only use a little bit. You're going to want to let this sit for about a minute and then let it eat away at all the brake dust, and then when you let it eat away at all the brake dust, you're ready to wipe it off. You can literally see it eating away at the brake dust. It's making all like brown, liquidy kind of fluid because it's just picking all of that up and letting it soak down. You can even see that the white on the tires are coming back because those were all orange before. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down with the microfiber and then show you the end result. Now, unfortunately, this wheel does have a lot of imperfections, like some road rash around the edge and some paint cracking in the middle. For what this is and how cheap these are, this is really easy to do, and even my tires, it just eats that brake dust right off of it. Cleaning your wheel will show all of the imperfections of your wheel underneath. The better wheel you have underneath, the better your results will be. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you all in the next how-to.